Looking to upgrade your car stereo without the hassle of a messy installation or awkward gaps? Scosche Aftermarket stereo dash kits offer a precise, gapless fit that blends perfectly with your vehicle's factory dash. Imagine swapping out that outdated CD player for a sleek, modern head unit, without compromising your car's original look or feel. What sets Scosche apart is their commitment to quality and ease. Crafted from high-quality automotive-grade ABS, these kits match the color and texture of your factory dash, ensuring a seamless appearance. No special tools are needed, and the included step-by-step instructions make installation straightforward, even if you're working in tight spaces or low light. Plus, the design includes plastic side pieces that support your new stereo, keeping everything secure and stable. For over 40 years, Scosche has been a trusted name in car audio accessories. Their products aren't just about looks, they're built to last. When you buy a Scosche dash kit, you're backed by a limited lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support. That means expert help is just a call or click away, for as long as you own your product. This level of support makes upgrading your vehicle's audio system a worry-free experience. One satisfied customer shared how easy it was to install the kit in a 2005 Toyota Tacoma, even in the dark. While the finish is a flat black rather than textured, it's a small trade-off for the price and the modern upgrade it enables. The only tricky part was removing the original clock and hazard light button piece, but the kit held the new unit securely, even before installing the side supports. It's a reliable solution for anyone wanting a clean, professional look without breaking the bank. If you're serious about upgrading your car stereo, Scosche's dash kits are worth a look. They deliver what matters: a flawless fit, durable materials, and peace of mind with lifetime support. Try it when you're ready to give your vehicle's interior a smart, modern update, without the headaches of a complicated install.